What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're playing on Hoth again. Yes, Hoth. This time I made sure to play by the way that my dad told me to in that certain world. You know, you got to go back into where the little small tunnels that they come through, the rebels. And you just gotta place mines, boss mines in those hallways, and then you will just get free kills. So, without further ado, check this out. Alrighty. Let's see how good we can do in this one. It's Hoth again. I mean, I'm actually kind of excited because I rarely ever get Hoth. So, you know. I'm hyped about this. Oh my goodness, look at the laser fire. Just beautiful. Everyone loves the look of laser fire. Now he's blinded. I think we're about to get blinded ourselves, yeah. I do better whenever I'm blinded. Except I do fall off cliffs, apparently. Let's capture some command posts. You dead? You dead. Wait, no, you're dead. No, that doesn't count. He's hacking. It was hacking. I promise he was hacking. Huh? What? Okay, that my voice just like broke. It shattered into a million pieces. Which one are we going for though? Is it B we're going for? Or A? A, okay. A, okay. Yeah, assist is required. We always need assist. One squadron just can't take the whole freaking planet. It's not how army, or that's not how, I don't even know what you call it in Star Wars. Would it be like military? Navy? Navy. Space Force. We're Space Force. Look at them. There's that guy. We need to deal with that guy. Oh, he's coming in now. He's coming in. Oh no, that guy's blinded. You can just tell because the way they put their hands in front of their face, you know what I'm saying? I killed someone. What? We're at 7,000. I won't get a hero until I die. It has, yeah, duh. Because we're playing. And I'm the best. Psych, my aim actually sucks. Wait, that was actually like, that was weird. That was like actually pretty nice aim right there. Like, wait, what? Gideon has, I have big aim. Yeah, apparently I do. For this one, if you, because usually I just hold it to shoot. And that increases the spread, so if you just tap it really fast, then the spread is a little less. I don't know if that's just my theory. If that's just speculation. I don't know. It's a myth. Kill him. But then when you're up close, you can just hold it and it... That was it way down there. Someone just did it. Here, do it again. Here comes a Wookiee. Uh-oh, watch out, behind us. Don't look. Oh, he got the little, he got the mini, thing. I know he has a ton of health, but I'm not really... I might do another boss skin Darth Vader thing. It won't be the name of the video, hopefully, but... whatever. Oh my. Hello. Kratos. Man, wouldn't you be ashamed to have that father name? Kratos. Son of Kratos. Or like Kratos? I don't know how you would say it. It's not like there's like a way to say it. I don't know. Dude! Palpatine! You stole my kill. I'm just gonna capture this point. There's gonna be no one, no rebel. Okay, yeah. Making sure. It's gonna be right up here. Just get ready. Get ready for it. Get ready, boys. Oh, it's gonna pop up. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it now. Where even are they? You gotta wait for them to shoot to see you. Actually, you could just do this. And now I see you completely, and there's a Jedi back there. I'm pretty sure it's Luke. That's Luke. No. I don't know who that is. Leia? Is there Leia back there? Is that Luke? It's Leia, and it's Luke, and a bunch of other people, actually. I think they just have an OG squad right there. The OG3. The 3 OG. And no, not 3 orange juices. They're like, whoa. Why do you say it like that? How terrible. Truly, how terrible. Just business. Business, business. Oh, huh. No. Dang it. I didn't want him to set all of them off. I don't have any more. Business, business. Where are they? Oh, come on. Really? He's coming in. That guy right there. I can't get him. There we go. We're flying through here. We have 7 minutes on the last location. And I know exactly how to play him. Dude! Oh, we're fine. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Uh-oh, is it Yoda? Yoda's in here. Nice. Ah! No! No way! Darth Vader! What is the matter with you, dude? You just left me for dead. That is poop. That is such poop. Crappy, stupid caca poop. Caca poop. I'm your prey. No. Everyone in here. I will destroy them. Ooh, 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 what was that? I don't know what's going on right now, so I'm kind of scared. I don't know, is someone killing me? No, no one's killing me anymore. Yeah, I've already kind of died, boss, so you can't really say that anymore. I need to go to that place my dad was talking about. It's like this place back up here. Don't really know where it is, but we're gonna go find it right now. It's right here. I think that's a decent spot. Trying to fall off the edge here as we're dilly-dallying our way back. Yeah, there they are. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Dang it, I thought I was gonna get them right there. They don't know that my stuff just stays. Nice. Oh my gosh, guys, that was actually the most insane win I've ever seen. That was so insane. What though? I didn't get that many kills. I know I didn't. I'm not gonna like try to think I did. Anything like that. No worries, my friends. Victory is ours. No. Boba, no. Yes! Victory! Oh wait, no, I don't have the celebration thing. I can't whistle, sorry. Victory! Yes! Alrighty, what did I get? Fourth. Third. Yeah, fourth. 25,000 for fourth. What do you get, 40? 40,000? Close. We gotta see our eliminations though. We're not gonna look at that. We're not gonna talk about my eliminations.